Well, we have reached at our next destination. This is the Bean Blossom Bridge. It looks like it was built in 1880. It is a drive across bridge. Weight limit on this one is 3 tons. So it is a narrow bridge and also a narrow road going to it. And we're going to drive through it, and I think there's a little pull off on the other side. It appears to be a truss bridge. Yep, looks like we might be able to pull off a little bit over here, and I'll get a quick shot of it. We're not going to walk through it, but we'll get a quick side shot of it here while I got the camera out. This is another bridge that's not well known in bridges of Indiana. Looks pretty cool though. A little shorter bridge, but narrow. All right, till the next one. Bean Blossom Covered Bridge near Nashville at Bean Blossom in Brown County, Indiana, was built by Captain Joseph Balsey and spans Bean Blossom Creek. Built in 1880 and is 60 feet long. It is a house single through truss design. It is one of 3 in existence of this design. It is narrow, only being 11.8 feet at the deck.
RVs or trucks?
We are at our next bridge. This is Henry Wolf. It's a builder. It was established in 1838. This is the Brown County State Park bridge. It is an arch bridge, and it is double wide. We'll get to the other side and turn around and come through on the other side, because I'm not planning on visiting the park.
Wait, do you have to go back on the right side? Yeah. Now it says you can go through on the other side.
Yeah, but I don't want to go into the park.
Oh, okay, well, watch the sky though. Huh?
And mine's not good anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, and I don't want to get a park pass to do this, so. At any rate, I'll hang it out the window so you can see this. It's a double arch. Yeah, he was right on our boat. The Ramp Creek Covered Bridge at Brown County State Park spans the north fork of the Salt Creek. Built originally by Henry Wolf in 1838 and is a double-barreled covered burr arch truss design. It is the only double tunnel bridge in Indiana and may be one of 4 in the United States. It was moved from Fincastle over Ramp Creek in Putnam County in 1932 and rehabilitated in 1986. Span length is 88.9 feet and has a deck width of 23.9 feet and is the state's oldest covered bridge. Well, we're back again. We're here at the Medora covered bridge, established 1875 by J.J. Daniels, excuse me. This, as I recall, is one of the longest covered bridges in Indiana. It is an arch truss bridge. But that light you see in the camera is midway. So, I could have swore there was a plaque somewhere on this bridge telling a little bit about it. But it's over 300-foot span. It's a shame that light's almost burnt out, but you can see with the shine over toward the arch here. Arch support bridge here. Looks like most of the lights are burnt out. This one's they have a festival out here annually also. On the other side, which is where we're walking to. I'll walk up underneath this light and then I'll let my daughter, so forth, carry the camera on down. Sorry we're having to do this with the flashlight off of the camera, but
Are you okay, Daddy?
yeah, I'm just not going to be able to make it all the way down there. There you see the second arch, and it has, as I recall, three three braces. You can actually look down the side to see the river it crosses right down there. Well, I don't know if you can pick that up in the camera, but those are some huge beams. Here, you want to, that way you can shine the light in the camera at the same time.
I'm not pointing that person.
Sorry, hang right here. For some reason, yeah, it is 3 arch.
Yeah, it's a triple arch.
Yeah.
It's a triple arch bridge. So I'll stay here. Maybe the plaque was at the other end. If there was, I could have swore there was a plaque that said something about it. Like I said, I think it's the longest.
And this is actually a quad arch.
Huh?
It's actually a quad arch. There's 4.
There's another arch down there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, see, and those are long arches. See how long those
Yeah.
are?
Is that a camera? Up there?
Yes.
I figured the light would work. It'd be a lot brighter in here if all the lights would work.
Oh yeah, but there's also a camera in here too.
Oh, you're being watched.
You hear
Listen
the water?
very carefully. You can hear the water running. All the water right down there.
Huh?
We got something here. Let's see what this is.
Yeah, that's the plaque thing. Pretty sure.
It was all about the builder. When it was rehabilitated. All about the bridge. And what it was when it was being built.
Or careless.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, that light that you're down there is midway through this bridge.
Yeah. Is Daddy back at the entrance?
Probably.
Or is he back at the midway point? I can't tell.
Want to see something?
Hell no, turn it back on. Oh.
What's wrong?
I can't do darkened bridges, I can't. So I would never walk in the night. Tell me.
We can go on a ghost hunt adventure.
You can kiss my ass too. I know. I'll just have to add into the house.
That needs cleaned off.
Huh? Yeah. It's covered in spider webs. It's probably why they're
I'll
going.
drive by in the bypass bridge and we'll try to have you shine your flashlight over.
Yeah, there is a little plaque down there.
Well,
Okay.
I gotta-
Did you get a
Yeah.
good shot of the plaque? Like I said, did it say how long it was?
It shows how long it was, when it was established, when it was rehabbed and everything.
All right. Well, I know it's over 300 foot. It's four arch. I was thinking 3 arches, but 4 arches. And these are big. Medora Covered Bridge, also known as the Dark Bridge, near Valonia in Jackson County, Indiana, was built by J.J. Daniels in 1875. It spans the east fork of the White River at an incredible 434 feet long, 458 feet if including the overhangs. It is the longest covered bridge in the United States with original trusses still in place. It is a triple span Burr arch truss design with 4 big arches. Sorry the video is dark because of our arrival time. So I have provided some pictures of this wonderful bridge from a previous road trip in 2022. I hope you enjoy it.